and it's from the company Auto Deco, is maybe what that is. And check out how this thing works. So I got mine in just like this. It came with this little carrying bag right here, little mesh bag. Has a nice kind of handle that's sewn into it, and it has a patch right where the handle is to give it more structure. Now the other one I was looking at didn't have these little kind of like hardened strips. I like that these had these in here. You just slide them down. Check out how that bucket just stays like this. If you're like me and you travel around and you need to kind of have a bucket with you at all times, this is something I recommend. Actually, I recommend getting several of these things. I just recently did a trip down to the coast, and it was easy to grab some salt water, load it up, just like scoop it out of the ocean, walk back, wash off our equipment, use the water for whatever we needed, whether it's sand or whatever, but it can all be used for a wide variety of things. No matter where you're at, you can pick up sand, dirt, gravel, whatever. It can hold a lot of different types of material in there because it's a very strong kind of like canvas type material. Check that out. So yeah, I'm going to definitely be using this going forward on my travels. So there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Auto Deco folding bucket. See you on the next video.